When the ball drops on the year 2000, it will be a momentous event for the world and for the U.S. economy, which is closing in on its longest expansion ever. In the late 90s, the dot-com bubble started to grow as the internet became a part of people's daily lives.
No technology in history has ever spread so far, so fast, to so many people.
This is the story of the bubble that people thought would change the rules of economics until it burst, bankrupting most and making billionaires of a select few. As the internet grew, new companies started to emerge within it, mostly online retailers like Pets.com and Amazon. Not all of these companies focused on sound business models, but it didn't matter to investors. They were sucked into the internet excitement and figured that at least one business had to succeed. So they placed their bets and waited.
With the frenzy we've had, to me it feels much more like gambling.
Competition and speculation pushed investors to pay significantly more for dot-com stocks than their fundamental value, which sent IPOs soaring. Mark Cuban's Broadcast.com stock rose from $18 to over $62 during its IPO. Amazon originally offered at $18 and closed at over $100. Companies like eBay, GeoCities, and Pets.com saw the same unprecedented growth. Overall, the NASDAQ grew from 1,000 points in 1995 to over 5,000 points in 2000 with little inflation. But the difference between perceived value and actual value created a market bubble. And bubbles can only get so big before they pop.
The NASDAQ, once again, do not stare into this index. It is white hot.
On March 10th, 2000, the NASDAQ was worth $6.71 trillion. But the next day, everything changed. The dot-com bubble burst and the market went into a free fall. In less than a month, nearly $1 trillion of stock value deflated. By October 2002, the NASDAQ had lost 78% of its value. Companies whose physical assets couldn't keep up with their once soaring stock prices, like Pets.com, lost millions of dollars and went out of business. A few weeks before the bubble popped, Amazon raised over $600 million. This helped them outlast the economic downturn. With Jeff Bezos' leadership and their rainy day fund, Amazon rose from the rubble to become a global power. Some people fared even better. In 1999, Yahoo acquired Broadcast.com.
We just saw this as a unique opportunity to combine forces with the leading brand on the internet, and that's an opportunity you just don't pass up.
Mark Cuban gained $1.7 billion in Yahoo stock. He immediately liquidated it, predicting that the dot-com bubble was about to burst. Today, the dot-com market is steady, but many other markets are emerging. Have investors learned their lesson, or do you think there will be another bubble? Let us know in the comments below, and please like and subscribe.